Okay guys, so we're gonna do the unboxing of the bag that earlier today I went to the store at the flagship here in Rome and was able to see in person the newest collection from Louis Vuitton, the on the by the pool, and the watercolor collection for men. Can you use this?
Però questa con quella cioè io vado per te. Sì.
Cuter.
Questo va? Non c'è questo, se no.
So that is what we got. Um, yeah, so we could just go and unbox it. Louis Vuitton paper bag, of course. And here's the box. It came in small box for that huge paper bag. I'm just gonna take off the ribbon and just do like that. Magnetic closure. And the Louis Vuitton last bag. Okay, so any guys got a guess? But for the meantime, I'll show you the code. So maybe you have an idea now. And then my essay just gave me some of the testers from their perfume line. So we got Nouveau and Nuit de Feu. No. Neveu de Feu and Nouveau Monde. Nuit de Feu and Neveu de Monde. French is really bad, so I'm probably butchering that. Okay, so here is the dust bag to reveal the mini backpack. This is so cute. So earlier at the store, I was trying on this and other bags from the By the Pool collection, and this is the one that I've chosen. I love it because I don't think they've ever done this backpack in, at least this model, in any other prints, or in the classic prints, or other collection as well. They have different versions of the multi-pochette and the other bags as well that I tried, like the pochette 26, and this is the one I chose because it's the first time that they did this silhouette and this kind of like model. So on the back we have it's gradient ombre effect. You have the LVE logo here and the flowers. There is a zipper compartment here, so if you want to hide some weed or something else, then you could hide it there and the police won't bust you. And on the front you have the two LV logos, which is quite nice. And this is the opening buckle, so you don't have to, like, you know, take out the belt buckle. You can just snap it, so it's magnetic, so that's very good. And inside we have the straps. I'm gonna get to that in a moment. Inside is just a suede material. You have the Louis Vuitton label embossing in there. It's made in France, so my bag is made in France, but I bought it in Italy, so that's good. And the material. Okay, so you can wear this. I mean, from the store, I tried it as a backpack and also as the how do you call that? Crossbody. So you can connect the straps like that. And the other one as well. I wish they put like a little handle here. It would have been perfect, but it's too little to probably do that, so hence they didn't do that. So second strap, and here as well. So they only have one hook or D-ring on the bottom of the back, so that's how it looks like as a backpack. So cute. So this is how it looks like worn as a backpack. Super cute. And then I mean, you could just take out the one of the straps to make it as a shoulder bag or crossbody bag. So let's do that. So you take this out and then you put it here. Now it's a shoulder bag, crossbody bag type of bag. But I think I'm gonna be using this is from my Speedy bandolier strap. So you can see it's a bit worn. Had it for many years, and it's a bit thicker than this one. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use it as a crossbody. I'm gonna use this one instead. Okay, let me just try and put it. Sorry about the squeaking of my jacket. It's leather. OOTD with my new Louis Vuitton by the pool mini backpack. So darn cute. So it's much nicer, I guess, this way, because this the strap here is like sort of like the same width. So I guess I prefer it that way. And also so I can avoid having the two new straps getting patina, getting the patina quicker. The only issue I have is this is not doing, you know, like I have to push it a little to be in the center. So it's kind of annoying, like this part here. So I'm not sure if it's something that's gonna get fixed by in time, but this is such a cute piece from the By the Pool collection. I wish this was in blue though. Would have preferred the one the gradients in blue. So yeah, that's it guys. That's all we have for this unboxing. I hope you enjoy that, and if you have any questions, just let me know down the comment sections. Okay, bye.